FutureATT new generation carton-type automatic labeling and sorting machine. Supports automatic feeding of 7-inch reels, code reading, label printing, labeling, verification, sorting and stacking, as well as automatic discharging. The turnover box filled with reels is conveyed to the manipulator loading station via the roller conveyor line. The two grippers pick up reels from two stacks simultaneously. The loading manipulator transfers the reels to the shift fork conveyor line and performs positioning. The shift fork conveyor mechanism transports the reels to the CCD1 station. CCD1 reads the reel information and performs pre-labeling positioning. The reel information is uploaded to the system and labels are printed. The labeling module manipulator picks up the label and applies it to the target. After labeling, CCD2 inspects and verifies the label content. Reels that pass the verification are automatically unloaded by the manipulator to 6 different buffer stations. Each bin will be sent to the pickup position when filled with 10 reels. Removes the reels and presses the button to return the bin. Empty turnover boxes are either removed by the operator or connected to the docking conveyor line.